something different. Everybody does the unboxing like in home, stuff like that. But why don't we do it at McDonald's? Like why don't we do it at McDonald's? Yeah. Like we're gonna do an unboxing video at McDonald's. Question. Yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing at Walmart. Not Walmart. I said McDonald's. I meant McDonald's in public. So, but nobody's gonna say anything around here. I don't think so. Maybe. Who knows? Anything goes. What are those? The Tommies. The Tommies. Yo. Shit. Tommy Hilfiger. Yo. Number.
Thank you, sir.
You are. Thank you. And that's the set. And this is it. So, yeah, so I'm gonna do the unboxing over here. Alright. Yeah. I mean like I just put like a what was it? I just put like a video like what? Maybe like a week ago or something like that. I got like 50 viewers, but it's gonna go up anyway. So anyway,
When you blew up, remember you knew.
oh, it's actually filming too.
Oh my God.
Okay. Alright, so let me get
Juvi, where you been, little baby? Know I kinda miss you. Where you been, little baby? Tell me what's the issue. Where you been, little baby? Can I come and kiss you? Where you been, little baby? Tell me what you into. Where you been, little baby? Know I kinda miss you. Where you been, little baby? Tell me what's the issue. Where you been, little baby? Can I come and kiss you? Where you been, little baby? Tell me what you into. I ain't tryna diss you, man, but he cannot eat you like I can. I could be more than your friend. I'ma slide up on the weekends. I can take you on the move. I can put you in the mood. Can I come grab on your booty? We can go chill in the mood. Yeah, it's been years since I seen you. Know you look different, I'm fiending. Can I slide up in your Fiji? Can I come eat nigga Fiji? And I like how you be dressed. No, baby, I would not stress you. Lay it down so I can stretch you. Fucking you crazy, it's messy. Girl, you know it's been a while now. I just wanna see you smile, baby. Girl, I'm really in your mind now. Girl, I know it's been a while, baby. And you know they gon' hate this. Why you be running?
There you are. Right. You already got your food there, correct?
Wait, we got 2 million coffee, size 7, yeah. Yeah. What's up? I don't even go to the game.
You coming?
Like
February.
what? Lacrosse.
Yeah.
Maybe. Since I'm still around here, yeah, probably.
I might have to fight Jordan of the defensive captain position. I might have to fight.
But Jordan, he's always like the big shot though. Like, you know, I mean,
I'm playing Deco this year too.
are you playing decoy this year?
Yeah.
Hey, I remember that one time. Jordan, he was going down the field with the long pole. Boy, that was lit. I swear. Oh, yay! Thank you. Bruh, it took too long. But they had so many problems. They had problems with the
You tell about your business in the
Today we're gonna be doing a Supreme Louis Vuitton phone case. So this is my phone case right now. I actually want a different phone case, so I actually ordered one. And believe it or not, I ordered one I ordered one in December, like last year, and it just finally came like yesterday. But I already opened it. But I might show a little clip of that. But I'm just gonna show you this, even though I opened it already. But okay, I got this from like a reseller. So I opened it. Hey, ooh, this is a nice piece. This is really nice. Like, Supreme. This is like, oh my goodness. But one problem is it does not fit my phone. I ordered one that wasn't. This is actually extra large. The iPhone Plus. I'm stubborn. Anyway.
Jeremy?
So I actually, What? What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? Oh my god. You wanna say I ate it? Ooh, shoot. Oh snap. I almost dropped it. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, so I got the iPhone. This is the iPhone 6. This is the regular iPhone 6. And this is for the iPhone 6 Plus. But I didn't order for the iPhone 6 Plus. I ordered for the iPhone 6. So yeah, so if I actually become like a hype beast, if I become a hype beast or anything like that, I'm gonna go and give this away. It's gonna be a giveaway, but I'm not up there yet. So, but if I get like 1,000 likes, and then I just pick somebody at random in the comment section, and then I contact you, and then you got Louis Vuitton and Supreme Peace. Like, this is like official. I think, I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah. So it did not fit my phone. I was mad, but I went to contact these people and see if I could get one for my phone, and then maybe I'll try to keep this. So yeah, that's just about wraps up my video. Doing the unboxing, Supreme Louis Vuitton, and McDonald's. And yeah, that's about it. Have it your way. Wait, is that a McDonald's thing? Have it your way. I think that's like Subway or something. I'm not sure. But I'm loving it. See you guys. I finished filming for Supreme. It was like these two guys with like they had tattoos on their face, and like some other guy had like a missing eye or something. Like he had like all bandaged up like that, and it was just like staring at us, like I don't know, like staring at us like with a weird tone. And somebody said, one of them said that they just got out of prison. So it was like, oh snap. I don't know why I just said that, but anyway, yeah, it got kind of weird. So when we finished filming, they actually kind of like stalked us. Like one of them was like, come here, and I was like, I just walked over there real quick, man. He said that they just got out of prison. So I was like, what? So I just walked back to my seat, and then we just finished what we were doing, and then we got up and went to the counter. We went over there to the you know, when you order the food and stuff. So we ordered some more food, and then I saw them coming up, and they left. But there was one guy, he had the face tattoo. Like he came up like right behind me. I don't know what he was doing, but he came up right behind me. I was like, what? So after that, after we order, I got the food. We act like we haven't seen, look at them, and then we just walked to our car and called it a night. So yeah, it was kind of weird. I'm not gonna do any of that kind of stuff in public. Supreme and Louis Vuitton unboxing in McDonald's. Yeah, you could get robbed doing that.
Juvi, where you been, little baby? Know I kinda miss you. Where you been, little baby? Tell me what's the issue. Where you been, little baby? Can I come and kiss you? Where you been, little baby? Tell me what you into. Where you been, little baby? Know I kinda miss you. Where you been, little baby? Tell me what's the issue. Where you been, little baby? Can I come and kiss you? Where you been, little baby? Tell me what you into. I ain't tryna diss you, man, but he cannot eat you like I can. I could be more than your friend. I'ma slide up on the weekends. I can take you on the move. I can put you in the mood. Can I come grab on your booty? We can go chill in the mood. It been years since I seen you. Know you look different, I'm fiending. Can I slide up in your Fiji? Can I come eat nigga Fiji? And I like how you be dressed. No baby, I would not stress you. Lay it down so I can stretch you. Fucking you crazy is messy. Girl, you know it's been a while now. I just wanna see you smile, baby. Girl, I'm really in your mind now. Girl, I know it's been a while, baby. And you know they gon' hate this. Why you be running, I'm chasing. A lot of these bitches gon' play this. Add me to your little playlist. Where you been, little baby? Know I kinda miss you. Where you been, little baby? Tell me what's the issue. Where you been, little baby? Can I come and kiss you? Where you been, little baby? Tell me what you into. Where you been,